बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, welcome back to my channel. This is decor art signing in. And I am going to share with you a most beautiful, amazing and very stunning pebble stone painting ideas. These are very beautiful, amazing and unique stone painting ideas. So viewers, thank you so much for supporting my channel. And for watching my videos. I hope so you enjoyed these pebble painting ideas. These are super incredible and stunning pebble painting ideas. These are very beautiful and very amazing and very unique pebble art and craft for you guys. And if you want different other craft work, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are very amazing and very unique craft work for you guys, and this is especially for beginners, for kids. If you don't know about how to paint, then you watch tutorials on YouTube about how to paint these type of stone painting ideas. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are best and unique pebble painting ideas for you guys. So viewers, keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. I'm very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. Hope so you like this video. These are very stunning and very beautiful and very unique pebble painting ideas for you guys. You must watch my whole video. These are very stunning, very beautiful, and very latest pebble painting ideas. Take care. Allah Hafiz, guys.